Welcome to Gazang's video training, where today we will install ezNcrypt 2.0. ezNcrypt is a transparent data encryption solution for any data used by virtually any process that runs on Linux. ezNcrypt enables our customers to encrypt the sensitive data they have, like PCI, medical and patient information, intellectual property, and more. And all this happens without making any changes to those applications or the data. Let's go ahead and install ezNcrypt now. Use the link in the product key you received from Gazang after purchasing ezNcrypt for databases or our ezNcrypt Flex edition, and download the file that's appropriate for your architecture. A quick start guide and a more comprehensive user guide are also available at the link. Before running the installer, make sure to set the file permissions to Run as an Executable. Now, as a privileged user, launch the interactive installer. It is possible to automate the install with a script, but we'll save that for another video. Once the setup window comes up, click Forward to continue with the installation. Please read the license agreement, and if you agree, select I accept and click Forward. The default installation directory is opt ezNcrypt, but you can specify any directory you like depending on your requirements. Next, the installer will check for all the underlying dependencies to see if they're installed. You can stop the installation and install missing items manually, or let the installer take care of that for you. Next, select the encryption cipher that you want ezNcrypt to use. We do recommend AES 256, but you can configure ezNcrypt to use any of the options you see here. Next, we will set up ezNcrypt to communicate with Gazang's key storage system. If your network uses a proxy server to access the internet, select Yes and click Forward to bring up the proxy configuration screen. We aren't using a proxy here, so I'll go back to the KSS connection settings. Both ezNcrypt for databases and ezNcrypt Flex Edition come with our hosted KSS at no charge. But if you purchase the Enterprise KSS, you would configure that here. Now it's time to enter your product key and activation code. These were provided to you in an email after purchasing ezNcrypt. Note, it is important to be very careful typing your product key and activation code, as a mistake could cause the installation to fail. When that's done, click Forward to set your passphrase and optional salt. We designed this to provide very strong protection for the encryption key by having two-factor authentication for when you have to manually decrypt your data. With one person providing the passphrase and another providing the salt, no single person would be able to decrypt the information protected by ezNcrypt. Please refer to the user guide for other methods of protecting the encryption key. This is important. Please write down the passphrase and optional salt and keep them in a safe place. This is so you will always be able to decrypt your data. And that's how to install ezNcrypt 2.0. We will be adding more Gazang training videos on different topics in the near future. If you would like more information, please contact Gazang.